Hi class. Today's aim is let's analyze graphs of functions to learn about their domain and range. And I want to just take some time here to make sure we get some vocabulary down. So I want to put this at the very top of the page where I have a little bit of space. You can do the same, or in your notes wherever you have space. So obviously the two words very important here are domain and range. And hopefully you've seen them before in 8th grade. You would have, I assume you would have mentioned them. But anyway, domain, that refers to all possible values for the input of a function. For example, all the x values. A range is just its counterpart, all possible values for the output of a function, or the y values. All right, we talked about in yesterday's lesson how sometimes when we're dealing with real-world solutions, we only want certain types of domain and range values. Like if we're talking about a number of people, we would only want whole numbers. You don't have a fraction of a person. If we're talking about money, you would only want numbers where there are 2 decimal places, right? So we usually don't talk about money with more. You could theoretically have a fraction of a penny, but we really don't talk about that. So we're going to see some more examples of that today. So the first thing I want you to do for 11.1, which one doesn't belong, unlabeled graphs, you're going to look at all 4 of these graphs, and you're going to choose one of them that you think does not belong with the rest and provide a reason. There's no right or wrong answer. You could argue that every single one of these doesn't belong in some way, shape, or form, but it's up to you to decide why you don't think that specific letter belongs with the other 3. So that is all for 11.1.